Hello and welcome back to my channel, Beautiful Journey. I am so glad that you decided to spend a little time with me today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tina. Here at Beautiful Journey, I like to play with makeup. I'm not an expert, but I do like makeup and I've been wearing it for a really long time. I also like to talk about other things creative. I do community theater and I teach dance, and I realized that creativity is a really important part of my life, and it's not just makeup. There's all sorts of ways to be creative. And so we explore that here. If that sounds like something that you would like, then I hope that you'll subscribe and come back for more. But today we are going to unbox my e.l.f. haul. I needed to restock some skincare, and so I, of course, got a couple of extra things while I did that. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to pull the tab and see what's inside, because I've actually had this box for about a week and I kind of don't remember what I ordered. So it'll be a surprise for all of us. Okay, e.l.f. packages their things really well, which is nice. But when you unbox on camera, it can be a little trying. The perforations don't really help. Okay. So when you open your e.l.f. box, you think you're inside, but you're not. There's more flaps. And more flaps. And then there's goodies. Okay, so the reason I placed an e.l.f. order in the first place was I was out of my cleansing balm, which I normally use the Clinique Take the Day Off, and that is one high-end product that I definitely recommend, but I always wait for a sale and buy it half off. You can usually do that a couple of times a year at Sephora and Ulta, and I know that it takes me exactly 3 months to get through one of the Clinique Take the Day Off containers. So I ran out and I decided that I was going to try a product that was less expensive so that I didn't have to get it on a sale. And I've heard really good things about the e.l.f. Cleansing Balm. Plus I was out of the Holy Hydration Face Cream, which is my Holy Grail moisturizer. And so I thought, well, I'll go get those two things. And when I went to do it, they had a 4-piece Holy Hydration set on sale for just like $2 more than it would have been to buy only those two products. So I decided to do that. Normally the set retails for $30 and I got it for $24. And the products that came in that set were the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. And this was a good thing because I just finished up my CeraVe cleanser. The Holy Hydration Melting Cleansing Balm, the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. I'm always on the hunt for a good moisturizing eye cream. I do use a retinol product, Curology, and sometimes I get it a little closer to the eye than I should, and so then I get some dryness up under here, and I have some, especially in the inner corner. I never put the retinol that close, but I've noticed I've had some really dry, flaky right in here on both sides. So I'm going to try this and see how that works. And then the Holy Hydration Face Cream, and I believe this is my 3rd or perhaps 4th jar of this. I really like it. So those are the products I got there, and I will use those and then come back. I have some other e.l.f. skincare that I want to do a review on. So if a review of e.l.f. skincare is something you'd like to see, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll use these for about a month, and then I'll bring in all of my e.l.f. products and let you know what I think of them, because some I have thoughts that are good and some I have thoughts that aren't so good. So then the other thing I got is, let's see, let me bring up my order because some of these were gifts and I don't remember which ones were gifts and which ones I purchased, but I think I got 3 free gifts with my order. So let me pull that up. While I do that, I'll tell you a little bit about the products here. The Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser has hyaluronic acid and ceramides, and that's one reason I really like the CeraVe, because it does have the ceramides. No parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. The eye cream has hyaluronic acid, peptide complex, and peptide complex to hydrate and awaken. The Holy Hydration has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. And the face cream has hyaluronic acid and peptides. So this whole line is hydrating, obviously Holy Hydration, and has good ceramides and peptides in it. Okay, so this coconut water infused moisturizing mask, Skin Paradise, is closer than you think. It was $2 and I threw that in to get free shipping. So no, I threw that in to get another free gift. That's what I did with that one. The Hot Chocolate Eyes, I have been looking at this palette for a long time. Oh, it's very reflective. Let me open it so that we can see what's in it without having the glare, sorry. I am sitting in a south-facing window, which is just lovely, except that the sun is so low in the sky this time of the year that by this time of day, it's about noon, it's coming in almost directly. So I have a towel up on the window to shield the sun, but it's reflecting off my desk. And anyway, this was in their holiday gift sets, I think. So I've been looking at this for quite a long time, and I think it's just beautiful. It's normally $10. It was on sale when I bought it for $8, and you get 15 shadows. So $8 for 15 shadows, I think, is a pretty good deal. And these have some really nice warm tones. You've got this green, gold. So anyway, it's just a really, really pretty shadow. I'm not going to swatch them right now. I may do something with it later, but I'm not going to swatch it right now. And then the concealer face and sponge duo. I needed a new sponge, and I'm looking for a good concealer brush because everything I have used so far for a concealer brush makes my concealer look not splotchy, but not smooth. And so typically I use my fingers or a sponge, but the sponge tends to want to lift away the coverage. And so I'm looking for a brush that will actually apply my concealer as smoothly as it looks like other YouTubers find brushes to apply their concealers, if that makes sense. Because so far when I use, whoa, sorry about that. Put that palette right in the sun. So far when I use a brush to put on my concealer, it just looks terrible. So I got this, it was also on sale. This was a free gift, the Metallic Flair highlighter, and I have one already. So this is gonna go in my giveaway box, and I'm just collecting some things to do a giveaway. I'll probably do my first giveaway at 125 subscribers, and I'm almost there, but I need to get to 125 and stay there for like a week before I'm gonna do the giveaway. So keep an eye out for that because it's almost ready to happen, but I'm not gonna open this one. I specifically got this to put in the giveaway. And the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer was also a gift. And I have the e.l.f. Mint Melt Primer, and it is one of my absolute favorite primers. And I've heard that this is pretty much the same thing. It just smells like watermelon instead of the mint. So I got this to try and see. And like I said, I really like it. So we'll see how it goes. And I have another backup of the Mint Melt, and I don't need 3 primers. So maybe I'll toss that in a giveaway too. Who knows? And then the last thing I have is the e.l.f. High Definition Powder in Corrective Yellow. This also was a free gift. So I got 3 pretty amazing free gifts with my order. And I spent $40, like $42. So I got these 3 things free. It was a really good time to order. This will definitely go in a giveaway. This won't go in the giveaway, but the Mint Melt backup might. And this I plan on using. So that's my e.l.f. order. I'm pretty happy with it, and I can come back and let you know what I think of things. And if you want to see the eyes have it using this e.l.f. hot chocolate palette, let me know. I can certainly do that. And then, like I said, about a month from now, after I use some of the skincare, I will come back and let you know what I think of it. And maybe we'll see a Mask Monday using this hydrating mask. So that's all I have. It was a pretty good e.l.f. haul, especially 3 full-size products free as free gifts. So e.l.f., good job. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!